That's quality.
Does that bit look like it's doing this?
The bit's doing a little bit of a dance.
That's great. Remember that principle we learned with the cutoff wheel over there?
Don't touch shit when you cut it.
Mm-hmm. The same thing kind of is happening here. It's getting very warm, so we're gonna try. We're gonna try. Plus, it's hard for me to hold on to it. We're gonna try a pair of channel locks.
There you go.
And what do you think?
You got a blue rag right there. Might be cushy enough.
I think it'd be, or do you think a piece of cardboard?
Blue rag.
Rag.
Blue rag. Be safer.
Maybe.
Oh shit.
Let me bang it up on the ground first, a little bit. So now that it's got scratches and dings in it, we don't have to worry nearly as much. Let me put a piece of tape around it
What's the? Oh, he got it.
first.
There's an open roll somewhere.
Yeah, we got rolls everywhere. No telling how hard this thing would be to get if I screw this one up. So there's really no pressure here at all.
No pressure. Irreplaceable part. The whole world is counting on you.
Yeah. Somehow I feel like a hillbilly with this rag and a pair of channel locks, and like this shouldn't be necessary. I just don't really feel like this is 100% should be necessary. Okay.
All right. Alabama called. They want their techniques back.
Yeah. This thing got a light.
I got light. There you go. Look at that. Oh shit!
It's hard for me to hold it.
You need more grip. You want to hold it and I run it?
Yeah, try that.
Line it up. You need to go in more.
Alright. Come down slowly and I'll let it self-align. There you go.
Gentle. There we go.
Remember, it's going to be hot.
Why don't you just put your tongue on it? Now it's probably got a fucking burr in it.
Mm-hmm.
Woo! Is it warm?
Still warm. You got all kinds of stuff stuck to me now. Yeah, they got a little bit of a burr in there.
You're gonna try to hit it gently.
I think we're gonna have to.
Just clear it. It's got to get all the way to the end.
Tape. Tape.
It's
pretty well,
fused
huh?
to the.
Wow.
Is the tape hot? Oh, the piece. I was like, how can a piece of tape be hot?
Yeah.
This is one of our goofy videos. People are probably just going, "What the hell's wrong with these guys?"
Yeah. They're just stupid. Well, I mean, when you look at our setup here, like what we're doing with this, it doesn't really look like we're all that incredibly brilliant.
But
I
damn it,
guess
it works.
The rest of it just goes with it.
But it's working.
Here's our blue thing. I don't want to crush it, so I don't want to grip it too hard with my Herculean grip.
I don't think that pair of channel locks has enough oomph to crush that shit down. Okay. Fire it up.
Fire it up.
Here we go. Easy.
There we go.
Nice. Smooth. Clean. That's just kept. Wick, remember that's going to be hot.
Yeah, I'm going to go quench it.
I got to remind you, it's going to be hot.
What do you think about a quench on it?
A little quench? Quench is
We
good.
don't have to wait too long.
Do it. Okay, Wick, what do we got? After
So
drilling?
before, this wouldn't go down on here, and that was our problem. Now, it will go down there with some force. So I think that's probably about right.
Perfectly snug.
I'm probably gonna have to find my antenna tool for us to
Crank it.
down. But let's see what we got right now.
That's already farther than it's ever been before.
Yes, look, we're getting much closer to what sheet metal would be.
Well, sheet metal plus filler.
Oh, plus we got a rubber
Plus our gasket.
snubber somewhere. That's about as tight as I can get it manually.
That's pretty damn good.
You know, I could hit it with a piece of sandpaper. This black plastic thing, maybe knock it 5/1000 off or 4.5 thousandths. What do you think?
Let's leave it tight because we want it to seal.
Okay. It's kind of rough.
A little bit. It'll be all right.
Okay.
We'll put it together. Wick's put it in the hole.
Okay.
He says it's real nice in the trunk.
It is really nice in here. Did I tell you that yet today? It's really nice in here.
You need to flop it towards more vertical so I can get this thing started.
Yeah. Which way is vertical? That?
Yeah, I guess. There you go. Yeah, I can't even start it. Oh, no, we're going. Because it's cocked, it's hitting on the hole. There we go.
Much better.
Okay, now I'm trying to grip it.
Do you want me to stick it up or do you want to screw it down?
Kind of stick it up so I can,
Like that?
yeah, like I can't even turn it by hand right now because it's got so much load on it.
Yeah.
Can you make it more, there we go, square. Yeah, there. Everybody gets an ugly shot of my hand. My gross, nasty hand. Okay, I can't go any farther probably without the tool.
We got a ways to go because when I push this up tight, that's tight. How far off? Take
Oh.
video thing. How far off am I of the popper?
On one end it's like a 16th, and the other end I can put my whole finger under it.
Yeah. All right, let's take the nut off of it. And
Gotta
never a way to mark it where it is, huh?
gotta unbind it,
Oh, sorry.
but you gotta hold the antenna so I can turn it.
Sorry, I got preoccupied looking at other crazy shit in here.
I'm actually using my nail to turn it, so it fucking doesn't. It kind
Here,
of hurts.
I can do
Oh,
it.
I got it. Don't move it and pinch my finger.
Well, that'd be good for the video.
Yeah, it nipped me a little bit. I got out before it got me.
Oh, that's too bad.
Damn. Savagery of Wick today. All right, Victor's got it figured out.
I think we're good.
So they just had it marked up there at the top wrong.
I just had this thing turned one hole the wrong way.
So we got it now.
I'm really liking the way it looks.
Yeah, it fits nice. Look at that.
If it wasn't so hot in here, I could probably fall asleep in here, but
Yeah.
it's hot enough and I'm thinking I'm not going to do that.
A couple weeks ago would have been not so bad.
No, it'd have been pretty nice, actually. All right, so I've marked it. And I'm going to now disassemble or loosen the clamp chingadera over here.
Chingadera. Right there. And we're waiting for the rest of our pieces for the top because we noticed we were missing
This
some
isn't
stuff.
perfectly flat, but we'll figure that out.
It fits pretty good.
Yeah.
Dude, we did good measuring that hole.
That was you.
That was me.
That was all you.
Geometry. I'm pretty decent at that shit.
You're one geometry fool. All right. There's that. I gotta get out of here again.
Yeah, climb on out. That doesn't look fun.